Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. All right, we're looking at this question from the National Common Entrance Exam past question, right? And then this is the direct and inverse proportion series. So let's check: is this a direct proportion question or an inverse proportion? Is it direct or inverse? Okay, let's look through the question together. Working for 10 hours a day, a painter completes a job in 15 days. How long would it take him if he works for 6 hours a day? All right, so let's highlight the things we have. We know that he works 10 hours a day. All right, 10 hours a day, and that is the work took him 15 days because he worked 10 hours a day, so that will be 15 days. At that same rate, if we should reduce the number of hours to 6 hours a day, how many days will it take him? That's the question. So how many days? So is this a direct proportion or an inverse proportion? If it's direct, as the number of hours is going down, the number of days also will reduce. So if I reduce the number of hours I'm putting in, will the number of days reduce? No way. That means I have to spend more days. So the less the number of hours, the more the day I will spend, the number of days I will spend. That is an inverse proportion. So this is no direct proportion. It is an what? Inverse proportion. So with this, you already have the mind, just looking at it, analyzing your question, you're already seeing that you're going to have more days. So your answer will be more than 15. So once you do your calculation and you're getting something less than 15, you know that you're wrong. All right? So your answer must be more than 15. So now, how do we do it? Remember, this is going to be MD. All right? So for us to know this, we find for 1 hour per day. All right, we find for 1 hour per day, and then we share that for 6 hours. All right, 1 hour per day, how long will it take him? So if he's working at 1 hour per day, how long will it take him? So 10 hours will take him 15 days. So 1 hour will take him 10 times 15 days. All right, 10 times 15 days. All right, and 10 times 15 is 150, right? So that's 150 days. So I told you that MD works well for inverse proportion, right? To get one quantity, you multiply. All right, so we did, since 10 hours per day will give you 15, 1 hour will be 10 times 15 days, and that will be 150 days. All right, we're done with multiplication. Next is division, right? So for 6 hours now, we're going to share that number of days for 1 day, for 1 hour, into 6 places. All right, so that makes sense, right? So we're doing 150 days divided by 6. Okay, so I'm going to use my division, short division. Okay, since it's just an objective exam, no one is checking your, even if it is theory, nobody will expect you to write this into the solution. All right, so short division, very important. If you have not mastered it, please go over, go into the channel and check through the division playlist. Okay, so now 6 in 1, we take it one by one. 6 in 1 is 0, remainder 1, and then 6 in 15. What's the closest multiple of 6 to 15? And that's 12, right? So 6 in 15 is 6 times 2, that's 2. All right, 6 times 2 is 12. Take away 12 from 15, you have 3. And then 6 in 30 is 5. So the answer is 25. Okay, 25. And that's this. Okay, so 6 hours, working 6 hours per day, it will take him 25 days. Now you see that it's more than 15, right? Because here he puts in more time, so you should have less number of days. Now here he puts in less time, it would work for more days. So remember what we said in inverse proportion, that as one is going down, the other is going up. So if you reduce one quantity, the other one will increase. If you increase one quantity, the other one will reduce. That is inverse proportion. And don't forget the MD strategy. All right, find for one and then divide. Okay, please, you can do it to go over the video again, and then if you have any question, remember the comment is there for you. Thank you and God bless.